the BW2 Wise Man Indicator, which is available for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and run it on your chart. Additionally, traders can read this page to learn about how the indicator works and its functionality. From the Navigator section, select the indicator file and drag it onto the chart to run the indicator. Once the indicator is activated on the chart, it starts displaying buy and sell signals on the price chart. The BW2 Wise Man Indicator, a sophisticated analytical tool, meticulously integrates the renowned alligator indicator to precisely delineate and visually present clear buy and sell signals directly on the trading chart. This comprehensive integration empowers astute traders to readily identify and capitalize upon lucrative trading opportunities that emerge from these distinct and actionable signals. It is critically important to understand that the optimal and most effective period for leveraging these powerful signals is when they are applied in strict alignment with the prevailing direction of the overarching price trend. For instance, consider a scenario where the price action is consistently demonstrating a pattern of forming progressively higher highs and concurrently establishing higher lows, a classic and undeniable characteristic that unequivocally signifies the market has firmly entered into a robust and sustained uptrend. When clear buy signals are generated within this specific area, we can effectively use these signals to maximize our potential profit from this particular section, and when the price is in a sustained downtrend, we can strategically use the sell signals to enter a well-timed short trade. In the Settings section, specifically located under the Inputs category, there are several distinct and important options readily available for configuration. In the initial part of this section, we are presented with the ability to either enable or disable the alert settings, which, by default, is currently set to a false status, indicating it is not active. If this option is set to false, the next two options will not be functional either. However, if we set the alert option to true, we can enable or disable the option to send alerts to the mailbox in the second input. And if this option is also set to true, we must have already completed the email settings in the Tools section under Options. In the third input, by enabling this section, alerts will be sent to your mobile as notifications. In the next section, we can also specify the precise timeout value, which represents the maximum allowable amount of time that MetaTrader will diligently attempt to send the message unless it ultimately fails, whether due to persistent internet connectivity issues, other unforeseen technical difficulties, or various other pertinent reasons. In the next section, we can also enter the alert subject or a custom message here. In the following section, we can set the indicator calculation values. In the first input, we can specify the distance between the signals and the candles in points, which by default is set to 5 points. Here I will enter the value of 100. With the value set to 100 points, the distance from the candles will be displayed for me. In the next input, we can specify the back value, which is used for fractal detection. The higher this value is, the more fractals will be identified, and the signals generated will correspond to fractals that span more candles. And to have more reliable signals, we can increase this value, but fewer signals will be generated for us. Here, I am setting the value to 10. As you can see, it displays fewer signals for us compared to before. Or if I select the value 50 here, the signal values will change. And there is also greater reliability in the signals being generated. Well, friends, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We'd be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.